Hello, Science of Nutrition and Exercise students. This video is just going to be a short introduction to our e-learning course site so you can have a better understanding of how you're going to be working through our 7 weeks together. So this first course homepage just has a lot of information on it that talks about the first week of class and some basic expectations for the class along with your textbook information. So you're going to want to make sure you read through this course homepage in its entirety. Then the other two most important things in the class is the content button, which is on the very top here, and then grades. Those are really the two things that you're going to be using for our next 7 weeks together. So if you go to the content button, you will see the first module under table of contents is the Students Start Here module. For this module, I've just posted some basic information for you. I've posted a video kind of introducing myself to you, and then I have a discussion board posting where you're going to introduce yourself to each other in the class. In addition to that, you will find the syllabus and the weekly schedule in the next module. So if we move on from the Students Start Here module, you will see the next one is called Syllabus and Weekly Schedule. So you're going to want to read through the syllabus and the weekly schedule here under this particular module. Then you have the third module, which is called your Exercise Documentation and Resources. Now this is really important because it explains how you're going to be documenting your 15 hours of exercise over the course of the semester. So my suggestion is to watch the video, okay? Because in the video, I explain my exercise policies and my guidelines, okay? So that video can be very helpful moving forward so you know how to properly document and what you can and cannot do for exercise. So in addition to the video, I've also posted some exercise policies and then some other information regarding exercise, okay? Then underneath that, the next module is called MindTap Access and Resources. Now, some of you, when you purchased your book in the bookstore, you might have also purchased the hard copy textbook. And inside the hard copy textbook, there is a note card. And on that note card, you need to scratch off the access code. That is the code that you need to enter here where it says enter your MindTap access code. So if you received an access code from Cengage, okay, if you purchased it in the bookstore, then you need to enter that access code here. And once you've done that, then you have access to MindTap and anything that I use in MindTap. Okay, you don't have to do anything further though. Once you've entered your access code, you are now a registered user and you can continue on with my course. Now, when we use MindTap, it will open up any MindTap assessment in a new window. So you need to disable your pop-up blocker. So if your pop-up blocker is not disabled, it's not going to allow you to open up MindTap in a new window on your computer. So we want to make sure that we've disabled our pop-up blocker. So I've given you instructions on how to do that here if you need to do so. Then once you're finished with that, you can see now that I've arranged everything in a weekly format. So for week 1 module, you can see deadlines for everything is listed. In your weekly module, I've also posted another informational video. You're going to want to watch those informational videos because I walk you through all the assignments that you're completing for that particular week of the course. So that is the basic setup of the course. If you have any questions at all, just let me know.